Hi friends, do you have shoes which you love a lot, which you just can't throw away? This is one such pair which has been with me for I think 8, 9 or close to 10 years. It's an Adidas shoe. I don't know what is the sub brand. I like it so much, I even got it stitched. I hope you can see the stitch when the sole came off. It's again started coming off. The undersole has started coming off. I'll get it stuck again. All these plastic or PVC decorative items have again started coming out. I just don't feel like giving away the shoe. It feels super comfortable to my legs. I've done a lot of running with this, a lot of walking, of course a lot of jumping. I don't think I am yet ready to give away the shoe or throw it away. So in case you have shoes like this with which you have an emotional connect, drop it in the comment. See you in the next video.